Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Gimp tutorials how to whiten teeth. So we have this example teeth, and if you want to whiten this teeth, you can use brush tools. Click at this icon, brush, and we set into this option for brush. We also can set for the size at this point. We set into this 18 points. For the mode, we can set into saturation, so I will use ASV saturation. After it, you can select in the teeth to make it white like this. You can select one by one by point, click, or you can hold and drag the mouse to make this white for this teeth. I will set again at this point. And then if you zoom out, the teeth will be automatically changed into white. Okay, you can see. You also can undo if it's not perfect. Like this, we can undo the teeth and we can create again this. So you can use these tools to make the teeth into white. Okay, that's it for basic Gimp tutorials how to whiten teeth. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.